In a survival situation, light and warmth are essential. Today, we'll show you how to make long-lasting survival candles at home, ensuring you're always prepared when the power goes out or during an emergency. First, gather your materials. You'll need wax, which can be paraffin, beeswax, or even leftover candle bits. For wicks, you can use cotton string or buy pre-made wicks from a craft store. You'll also need some containers. Small mason jars, tin cans, or even empty tuna cans work great for this. Begin by melting your wax over low heat. While the wax is melting, place your wicks in the center of your containers, using a pencil or stick to hold them upright. Once your wax is melted, carefully pour it into your containers, making sure to keep the wick centered. Let the candles cool for a few hours until the wax is completely solid. These DIY survival candles can burn for hours and will provide essential light and heat in an emergency. Plus, they're a cost-effective way to repurpose materials you might already have at home. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.